For maintenance teams, work can't begin until the right materials are received and available in stock. When receipts are delayed, incomplete, damaged, or recorded incorrectly, maintenance schedules can quickly fall behind. Traditional receiving processes can involve multiple screens, manual entry, and time-consuming searches. The more steps involved, the greater the risk of delays, errors, and inaccurate inventory records. The Purchase Order Receipt app simplifies the process of posting goods and service receipts directly in SAP. Users can quickly find purchase orders using advanced search tools designed to make receiving faster and more intuitive. For even greater efficiency, users can scan barcodes to locate purchase orders and materials instantly, reducing manual effort and helping ensure the right items are received against the right order. By simplifying receiving and improving accuracy, Maestro helps ensure materials are available when they're needed, reducing delays, minimizing costs, and helping maintenance work stay on schedule. That's how Maestro streamlines purchase order receiving in SAP. Every receipt captured digitally helps eliminate manual processes, improve visibility, and create a more connected operation. And as organizations look toward advanced analytics, automation, and AI, that digital foundation becomes increasingly important. To discover more ways our apps simplify materials management and support maintenance operations, visit our website or connect with us for a demo.